to tell them what we're making.
Oh yeah, so what we're making are fish nachos, because nachos are the best thing ever invented since sliced bread, and everybody knows that.
The cheesiness.
Mwah! I am going to take the nachos and pour them, the nachos, and pour them into here, and then take this cheese, and then take this cheese, pour it on here.
You've got to do that.
Oh yeah, but first I have to do this. What I'm going to do is this is lime juice, some olive oil with roasted garlic and black beans. I love garlic, 100%. I can eat it every single day, 165 days a year.
And he could eat a plain onion
without
it being cooked.
I can eat like a plain onion, like an apple, like without crying, nothing.
So I'm just gonna add half of my flour in. This half at a time.
I'm going to take this and pour it on to here, right here. And in here I have tomatoes, some cilantro, some jalapenos, and some onions. And doesn't that smell good? So we're going to take the spoon.
Right now I'm mixing up my flour and it gets a little mushy.
Hey, we're both mixing.
At the same time. And just want to add half.
This is what it's going to look like.
Just half.
This is what it's going to look like as it's all incorporated. At the end, we're going to pour this on the nachos after they've been cooked and heated up. So the cheese has been melted down.
As you all know, nachos have to have cheese, main condition, tomatoes, cilantro. Oh, I might throw in some jalapeno peppers. What?
Yeah. So I'm taking my mild cheddar and I'm going to pour that on after I pour on the nacho chip. So I'm going to evenly spread these around the pan.
I'm trying my best with my flour. I don't mind if I steal a chip. Not too salty after all.
So,
well, as you can see, this bowl is covered in snow.
So I'm gonna take the cheese and cut it open with scissors. I'm gonna evenly spread the cheese around. This is tough.
I just got I just added a lot of flour.
So here's the cheese. I'm gonna evenly spread it around. With my hand, because your hand is better than just dumping the whole thing on.
Because if you dump the whole thing on, it's probably just gonna go in one spot, and one spot's gonna have more cheese
than all the others, and you don't want that.
Yeah, you want everybody to have a square amount of cheese.
So this cheese,
and you put the whole bag,
everything must go in. It is a rule of all cooking. I'm gonna open up the oven. You heated it at 375. Put the cheese, put the nachos in on the top rack.
And now for the final cooking.
So
Steven is going to cook his fish.
Welcome to the fish show, people. Yesterday I went out fishing. The captain caught a yellowtail.
And he caught a king mackerel.
I caught a king mackerel that big, and I'm not lying.
It was so slippery and slimy. It was like, ugh.
This is the yellowtail. So I'm gonna let that heat up for 30 seconds. You could just count it in your head or do whatever. I'm gonna take this.
And we got this from the turtle area, which we call the, what's that place? I forget again. It's an ornament that's very delicate.
Yeah, it's really nice. So this is the fish, and
Back in
I'm
action.
cooking it. And
You don't want to have it like mushed up.
you don't want to
in
have
one
it mushed
spot.
up. You want to keep mixing it around so everything is evenly cooked. So
That's good.
I'm gonna spread it out so they
And
don't
this
stick.
is the sheet which I'm going
to-
to cook the turtle cookies on. But I think they've got other creations. Let me see. Well, they have.
He's going to use the chocolate chips.
They have
So we are.
a seahorse, horsey, a turtle, the main part, a palm tree.
Now you want to be
Dun dun
careful.
dun! A shark! Which sharks aren't very helpful to turtles because they eat turtles like their fins.
But turtles have a defense system. When a shark is coming after them, they turn their back like that. So
And
if
they
they're-
go
so
it's like they're going straight up, so the
their
shark
shell-
hits
so
their
the
shell.
sharks hit their shell instead of hitting their flippers and stuff like that.
But sharks are sneaky, and they could sneak up on them.
Man, this fish is gonna be really good. I love fish. I'm a fish lover. I'm a fish hugger. Now, what you have to do is you have to be careful with this because the sizzling might pop and it might burn you. So
And you would
I'm gonna turn this off.
watch sizzling.
Still keep it on because it's still
And
gonna be cooking.
You won't be afraid to go into Forest Gate Country Club and get in their salmon wrap or their fish tacos. But the fish tacos have a little spicy sauce, so if you don't like spiciness, add it to me. Have it on the side or don't get it.
In some places the sauce
In
is so
Forest Gate Country
spicy.
Club in New Jersey.
Bye. So
Hold up.
You have to make sure that you tune in for our last and next video on when the nachos are done and everything's done and the fish is cooked. All right. Arrivederci.
Let's do our secret